How to create content fast with AI. Using AI to help with content creation ensures more content, more quickly. Use AI to write articles, create video scripts, Pinterest pin descriptions and hashtags, as well as brainstorm ideas and create a content strategy. Selecting the right AI tools is crucial for effective content creation and graphics. Tools like Chat, Writer, and others can quickly generate great blog posts and articles. For professional-looking graphics without the expense, Canva offers thousands of templates for easy drag-and-drop design. Getting your content in front of as many people possible drives more traffic. To save time, create multiple versions of your content. Repurpose blog content into social posts, emails, and video scripts. Use analytics to see which platforms drive the most traffic and scale those. To be successful, always review your AI-generated content. Rewrite some of it to reflect your voice. Be consistent in your content creation and distribution, and always double-check to make sure the AI has gotten facts correct. Use the method perfected by Marie Grove to use AI tools and build an affiliate business from start to finish. Click the link in the description below the video to get started. Her interactive tool will help you decide on the most profitable niche that aligns with your goals, interests, and time frame. It's free to use, no opt-in. Click link below.